Alright, let's see how this works. I'm going to rotate this by 90, RZ 90. Okay, so I can't, yeah, RZ 90. Okay, so this one is locked. This is why it's not rotating. So let's just unlock this one. RZ 90, like that. Okay. Model designer. We're going to create a model. So upper base and lower base. Excellent. Lower base. Perfect. Let's go to the VertXsplit here. This one and this one. And we're going to move those into the collection. And if we look at it from the front view, this is what we have. These are joined up, which they need to be. Components module. We're going to load that up, VertXsplit. We're going to select this one and append that one. Alright, so we're going to go back to the VertXsplit, select it, and we're going to place that, okay? And we're going to then shoot this up. Actually, I'll move this up a little bit like this, okay? Something like, we're still going to move the models, okay? So this is just basically the length. We're going to take that and we're going to copy to the upper, okay? Now, okay, we can move this as well a little bit, up like that. Okay, so I'm looking at the die, the length of the dies, okay? Then we're going to align the models. So here we're going to go G, R. Maybe it's because your model was locked, I don't know. G, okay. Let's position these nicely. Let's have a look from the side. Okay. Yep, so we've got a very big model over here. The lower one's very, very big. Okay, so from the front view, we've got that. Okay, so let's leave that. We're going to go to the components module and we're going to choose our cutters. Now we know that one's quite big. I'm going to use a big cutter. Okay, append. I'll take this one. In the VertXsplit, I'm going to copy, so duplicate. Then we're going to take that and snap that to the upper. Take that and snap that one to the lower. Okay, so that's looking good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to trim around the models and we're going to unify them. Okay, so that's looking okay, and unify. So far so good. Okay, so then we're going to hide this and we're going to go into the vertex. Here's a thing that we can delete and we're going to split them up. So I'm going to take that one up there. Model designer. Go to the vertex cutting. Use the G key and the E key to extrude. And we're going to thread this through nicely like that. Shift D, E key to extrude. Shift D, E key to extrude, 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 extrude. Shift D, extrude here and extrude. Okay, Shift D and extrude like that. Okay, and we can cut this one as well. Shift D and extrude like that. Okay, so then we'll slice. Okay, so I'm going to make sure it's a little bit bigger, the slice, so 0.15, and then we're going to cut this. Okay, accept. Perfect, so far so good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to delete what we don't want. Okay, so this one, that one, X, delete. That's fine. That will then fit into the VertXsplit. And then this one, Control I and hide. We're going to split that as well. So here we go cursor, vertex cut, G, and then E, cut straight through there like that. That should get rid of that, and then slice, and then we're going to accept that. Okay, so then I'm going to delete this whole piece over here. X, delete. Okay, so this is our vertex split model, and then you would go and ditch these there, and that's about it. Okay, thanks, bye. I just thought I would just ditch this one as well. So I'm looking at from the top. That's my die. Shift right click. Go to the draw margin or make die. Well, actually we're not making a die. We're going to be ditching it. So we're going to be using the draw margin here. E to extrude all the way around like that. So we can see there's a bit of undercut, and this is like not so good over there. Going to look from the above like that. I don't want to do it like this. I want to sort of get this sort of correct tool. Okay, we've got this ditched. We can select the bottom. We can scale this outwards. Scale it like this. Okay, that's looking good. We're going to ditch that one. Okay, that's the first one. This is the next one. So shift right click, draw margin, E to extrude all the way. So this is actually quite a fun case to do. Okay, so there we've got a bit of stuff happening here that I don't like. Okay, this is looking good. Up to there. Tilt it nicely, like something like that. I must be careful there. Okay, tool. So I'm just checking, it's like very, very close here. So I want to make sure it's not trimming my prep. Okay, so I'm going to take the top of it, scale, S, take the bottom, scale it out all the way like that. Good. I want to make sure that this one, S, does not hurt my die at all. Okay, that's looking good. And we're going to click on ditch. Excellent. Okay, that's two done. And then you would then do your pontic and your other side to make your bridge. Okay, this one's a bit sharp, so you have to be careful there as well.